Well, happy people, thank you very much for the support, man. Hope you guys are doing great. 100 plus subscribers, that's really appreciated. Thank you very much. Alright, today I'm here to cook chili chicken. Keep sharing, keep subscribing. Let's get cooking, man. Thank you. Alright guys, what we're gonna do is boneless chicken. We're gonna do some marination, simple marination with some dry spices, salt and pepper as per your taste. Can add a bit turmeric and some red chili powder. I'm gonna mix it thoroughly. I'm gonna add a bit of a splash of olive oil, and I'm gonna mix it thoroughly. And what we need to do is just leave it for 10 minutes. There you go. It's nicely marinated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my air fryer instead of deep fat frying. So I'm adding a healthy twist. Here, spread it evenly so it cooks evenly on all sides, and we're gonna cook it at 200 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes. There you go, nicely done. I'm just gonna take it in a bowl and leave it aside. I'm not gonna use it, close it with a lid. I'm just gonna keep it open and dry. And then we're gonna do the sauce. Got a pan with olive oil, just waiting to get warm. Adding grated ginger and garlic. So I'm using grated ginger and garlic, guys. So I'm not using ginger garlic paste because chili chicken, you actually need to feel the ginger and garlic chunks. So I'm gonna cook it thoroughly, saute the ginger and garlic. Red onions, what I did is cut them into box size cubes. Green peppers, and then green chilies. You can also use jalapenos. It's according to your spice taste and the heat levels. Keep mixing so that the onions and peppers and the chilies cooks thoroughly. Keep tossing and keep mixing. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna simmer it for a while and then cook it. Just wait, the heat absorbs the vegetables, and then it's nicely done. We're not gonna fully cook these veggies, so it's like almost done. So it shouldn't be fully cooked. So you will have the crunchy texture in the veggies. And just salt to taste. Adding a bit of garam masala. And some coriander powder. And some cumin powder. What I did is I just used about half a tablespoon of dry spices. I'm gonna toss and mix them. The reason I'm keep mixing and folding and mixing because you don't like to have any kind of burnt taste or texture on it. It already looks yummy, guys. Adding a bit of splash of water and then toss it. Looks like stir-fried vegetables. Yes, guys, That's how we need to cook. Gonna add some sauces to it. I've got red chili sauce. I'm gonna add a splash of white vinegar. And ketchup. And a bit of dark soy sauce. That's it. And we're gonna toss it, mix thoroughly. There you go. Cook it for 2 minutes. Make sure that it doesn't get burned. I'm gonna add my chicken, and you're gonna give it a nice mix. That's it. Nicely done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook on a slow flame. To give that silky texture, what I'm using is cornstarch. It's just corn flour mixed with water, a few tablespoons, and that should work like a charm. We're almost done. Give it a quick mix again. That's it. Very easy and simple recipe, guys. There you go. Home cooked chili chicken ready to serve. Enjoy.